You gonna try and take off right here?
Am I going too fast?
Yeah, you're going pretty fast.
Today we're visiting Tina's Pilot Shop, otherwise known as the North Texas Pilot Supply, which is located at Northwest Regional Airport, identifier 52F, on the DFW sectional. According to their website, TSHIRTS.com, this pilot shop has been around for almost 20 years. They describe themselves as a mom and pop kind of place where everyone feels welcome. This particular weekend, they are hosting a pancake breakfast and we just had to check it out. So today we're flying out of McKinney National Airport in McKinney, Texas. This is a great airport. It has a beautiful FBO and a very friendly staff. It's a great place just to hang out, have a cup of coffee, and watch all the activity in the static area. The controllers in the tower are the best around. It's always nice to hear a friendly and helpful voice when flying in and out of a busy airport. This particular airport has been around for a long time. Check out this Google aerial shot from 1995. Now for today's destination. Northwest Regional Airport is located 3 miles northwest of Roanoke, nestled in the rolling hills of that area. This airport is considered to be one of the largest privately owned airports around. Today's flight will be a little bit bumpy since the winds are out of the south at 15 miles an hour, gusting to 21.
Northwest traffic, Cessna 84316, turn left downwind for 17, full stop landing, northwest traffic.
Northwest traffic, 7655 Bravo, maneuvering, enter left downwind for runway 17 up 2 behind the Cessna, northwest.
Northwest traffic, Cessna 84316, turn at left base for 17, full stop, northwest traffic. Northwest traffic, Cessna 84316 on final 417, full stop landing, northwest traffic.
Northwest traffic, 17655 Bravo, left being runway 17, full stop northwest.
What they said, they said, yeah, the car will be there. Yeah. Oh yeah, I go to
Hi, my name is Guy Renda. I'm the new owner of Tina's Pilot Shop. Today we've put together a nice little pancake breakfast for family, friends, and fellow pilots, and would like to continue doing so. You know, we're here to offer to the flying community, A&P school, TCC. We got all your learning needs here, from books to maps, charts, everything. We'd like to invite everybody out to come out and check out the store for anything and everything aviation at discount prices. Come out and see us. We're here all day, every day. Check us out at TSHIRTS.com, and we got some of our new stuff up on the website, and we're working to continue to better that throughout the future. So come out and see us. God bless America.